The movement in the art is perceived in a few different ways, the first being the staggered characters hanging from the wall, and the other is where your point of view is. Continuum of movement shows contrast because the images are staggered from one another and each character is brightly colored with detailed curved lines. The artist designed his work to elude the viewer that the characters were in the middle of a dance set even though they're just hanging in place. Depending on where you view the work, your eyes jump from one character to another, creating more intensity and adding to the overall movement of the work, similar to the storyboard example in the book. In regards to improving the artwork, I would have loved if the characters were hanging on motorized tracks and gliding past one another throughout the day. The foreground, background, and midground would then be a perfect example of apparent movement.